Okay, round 2, rapid fire substitution. You notice in this problem, the top equation has squares on the variables, the bottom equation does not. So therefore we're, in this case, looking for where do an ellipse and a line intersect. You can't do elimination because the powers are not the same. Instead, you have to eliminate and choose to use a variable that does not have a power on it. You will make your life a nightmare if you use one that does have a power. So I looked at that and went, hey, that lone little x there is easy to solve for. So I added x to the left side and subtracted 2y to the right side. In substitution, we then take that equation and we substitute it into the other one. So if you follow the yellow arrow, I'm putting it up there in place of the x squared. So I'll have 1 minus 2 squared, 2y, quantity squared, plus 4y squared equals 25. You'll notice the giant words FOIL. That's because if you have a quantity squared, you have to FOIL it. So you'll see that down here, I did indeed FOIL it. Got 1 minus 4y plus y squared, and then I added on plus 4y squared equals 25, the rest of the equation. After setting it equal to 0, I see, hey dude, I've got a quadratic, so I need to solve that quadratic. And so I solved it by factoring. I set my factors equal to 0 and solved it. That's only the y coordinates. To get the x coordinates, I had to go back to one of the equations, and once again, way easier to use the equation that doesn't have exponents. Subbed negative 3/2 in for y, found out x was 4. Subbed 2 in for y, found out x is negative 3, and so I got the answers for negative 3 and negative 3 too. Hope this helps.